Welcome to Memphis, Tennessee, a city known for its rich musical heritage, vibrant culture, and of course, its legendary barbecue. If you're a BBQ lover, you're in for a treat because today, we're counting down the top 5 barbecue restaurants in and around Memphis. Get ready to drool as we dive into the mouth-watering details of each spot's unique style, sauces, and cooking methods that make them the best of the best. Let's fire up the grill and get started. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Central BBQ. This local favorite has been serving up delicious barbecue since 2002 and has multiple locations across Memphis. Central BBQ is known for its slow-smoked meats that are cooked to perfection. They use a combination of hickory and pecan wood, which gives their barbecue a distinct smoky flavor that's hard to beat. Their ribs, pulled pork, and brisket are fan favorites, but it's their sauces that truly set them apart. Central BBQ offers a variety of sauces, including their signature mild sauce, a tangy vinegar-based sauce, and a spicy hot sauce for those who like a kick. The ribs here are fall off the bone good, and the sauce is just the right balance of sweet and tangy. It's definitely a must-try. Coming in at number 4 is the BBQ Shop. This restaurant has a storied history and has been serving up some of the best barbecue in Memphis since 1987. The BBQ Shop is famous for its Dancing Pigs barbecue sauce, which comes in both mild and hot varieties. This tomato-based sauce is thick, flavorful, and has a perfect balance of sweetness and spice. Their barbecue is cooked over a slow fire, allowing the meat to absorb all the smoky goodness from the hickory wood. We take pride in our family recipes and our unique cooking methods. Our goal is to make every bite memorable, and our customers keep coming back because they know they're getting the best. At number 3, we have Germantown Commissary. Located just outside Memphis, this quaint spot has been a beloved destination for barbecue lovers since the 1980s. Germantown Commissary is all about tradition. They use a blend of secret spices to season their meats, which are then slow-cooked in a smoker using hickory wood. Their pulled pork and ribs are legendary, and their barbecue sauce is a perfect complement. It's a tangy, slightly sweet sauce with a little bit of heat, making it irresistible. The flavors here are out of this world. The pulled pork just melts in your mouth, and the sauce is the best I've ever had. In second place, we have Payne's BBQ. This family-owned spot has been a Memphis staple since 1972. Payne's is known for its no-frills, straightforward approach to barbecue. They specialize in pork shoulder, which is slow-cooked until it's tender and juicy. Their signature mustard-based sauce is what really makes Payne's stand out. It's a bold, tangy sauce with a slight sweetness that perfectly complements the smoky pork. We keep it simple and focus on the quality of our meat and our sauce. That's what keeps our customers coming back. And finally, at number 1, we have the iconic Rendezvous. This legendary restaurant has been a part of Memphis since 1948 and is famous worldwide for its dry-rubbed ribs. Rendezvous is unique because of its charcoal cooking method and its famous dry rub. The ribs are seasoned with a blend of spices and herbs, then cooked over a high heat to lock in the flavor. Instead of a traditional sauce, Rendezvous offers a vinegar-based mop sauce that adds a tangy kick without overpowering the rich, smoky flavor of the meat. Rendezvous is a Memphis institution. The dry rub ribs are unlike anything else. They're smoky, savory, and absolutely delicious. So there you have it, the top 5 barbecue restaurants in and around Memphis, Tennessee. Each spot brings something unique to the table, from their cooking methods to their signature sauces. Whether you're a local or just passing through, these barbecue joints are sure to leave you satisfied and craving more. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy eating!